Welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy Step by Step. So here's another GED type, HiSET type of word problem for the GED math exam. Pat needs to put a fence around the backyard. Given the dimensions below, what are the values of y and z? So I'm going to show you the dimensions here. And again, if I'm going too fast, please stop, pause, and rewind the video. So here's the dimensions of the backyard, right? So here's the entire backyard. And we have a side of the backyard of 10 feet, another side of the yard 12 feet. This portion here from top to bottom is y. From here to here, this length of the backyard is 8 feet. We have length from here to here, both of these right angles, 4 feet. And then we have the entire length of this side of the backyard is labeled Z. And again, the question is, what's the value of Y? What's the length here in feet for Y? And what is the length here for Z in Z? So you have a bunch of options. Now, I do want to point out, we're only looking for Z and Y. Once you find Z and Y, there could be a follow-up test question that asks, what is the total perimeter of the fence that'll be put up around the entire backyard? And I will answer that, but I will also answer the question, what is the values of Y and what is the values of Z? So again, that's the only question. What is y equal to and what is z equal to here? You have options A, y equals 5 and z equals 15. You have option B, y equals 7, z equals 14. Option C, y equals 6 and z equals 20. And then option D, y equals 4, z equals 10. So stick with me. This is part 1 video. In part 2 and part 3, I will break this down so you know exactly step by step how to answer this particular question. I'm also going to review key data and key information that you need. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you for your time.